Hello and welcome to another epic chess battle. Like and subscribe for more. This is a book move. The opening is called King's Pawn Game.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Pawn Game.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Gambit.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Gambit Accepted.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Gambit Accepted. Bishop's Gambit.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Gambit Accepted. Bishop's Gambit, Cosio Defense.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Gambit Accepted. Bishop's Gambit, Bogoljubow Variation.
Pawn to d6.
Pawn to d4.
Bishop to e7 is excellent. This develops a bishop. Pawn to c6 is best.
Bishop captures on f4 is best. This develops a bishop. This captures a free pawn.
Kingside castle is the best move.
Queen to a2 is excellent. This defends a pawn. And bishop on g2. And c4. Pawn to a5 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the knight.
Pawn to d5 is excellent. This offers a trade. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo. Pawn to c6 is best.
Bishop captures on f5 is the best move.
Bishop to b4 is the best move.
Bishop to g5.
Pawn to c6 is best. This attacks the bishop.
Bishop to b2 is the best move.
Queen captures on d4 is best. This defends a bishop on b4. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king. This captures a free pawn.
Bishop to d2.
Bishop captures on c3 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the pawn. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king.
Bishop captures on c2 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the queen.
Queen captures on e4 is best. This pins a piece of the opponent to their king.
Bishop captures on f6 is the best move.
Queen captures on e2, check is best. This is a trade.
Knight captures on a2 is the best move.
Pawn captures on f6 is the best move.
Rook to f1 is excellent. This attacks the pawn. This develops a rook. King c the castle is best.
Pawn to f5 is the best move.
Queen c the castle.
Knight to c5.
Rook to d4 is best.
Rook to e8 is excellent. This attacks the knight. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Knight captures on b3. Check is best. This is a trade. This captures a higher value piece.
Knight to b8 is the best move.
Knight captures on b3. Check is best. This is a trade. This captures a higher value piece.
Pawn captures on b3 is best.
Pawn to f5 is best.
Pawn to c3.
Pawn to f5 is excellent. Pawn to c5 is best. This attacks the rook.
Knight captures on f5 is the best move.
Bishop to e6 is best. This attacks the pawn. This develops a bishop. This move gains a tempo.
Knight to d6 is best. This creates a foregone pawn and rook. This move gains a tempo.
Rook from file e to d8.
Knight captures on b2 is best. This attacks the rook. This move gains a tempo. This captures a free pawn.
Rook captures on d4.
Pawn captures on d4 is best.
Bishop captures on b3 is best. This captures a free pawn.
King to d2 is the best move.
Bishop to d5.
King to c2 is excellent. Removing the king of the back rank. The risk of back rank mortar threats is reduced and improve the king's safety. King to d2 is best. Removing the king of the back rank. The risk of back rank mortar threats is reduced and improve the king's safety.
Rook to b8 is the best move.
Rook to again is the best move.
Rook to b8 is excellent. This develops a rook. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns. Rook to e8 is best. This develops a rook. By placing the rook on an open file, it controls important columns.
King to c3 is excellent. This defends a pawn on d4. Rook a2 is best. This attacks the pawn, replacing the rook a on an open field. It controls important columns.
Rook to b4 is best.
Rook a2 is excellent. Replacing the rook a on an open field. It controls important columns. Rook a2 is best. This attacks the pawn, replacing the rook a on an open field. It controls important columns.
Rook to c4, check is best.
King to d3 is the best move.
King to f6 is excellent. Rook to b4 is best. This attacks the pawn.
Knight to d7, check is best.
King to g7 is best. This defends a pawn on h7.
Rook a to fm is the best move.
Rook to b4 is the best move.
King to c3 is best. This defends a pawn on b2.
Rook to b5.
Rook a to rn is excellent. Replacing the rook a on an open field. It controls important columns. Rook a to e8 is best.
King to g6 is excellent. King to f6 is best.
Knight to d3 is best.
Rook to b3, check is best.
King to c2 is best.
Rook to b5 is best. This defends a pawn on a5.
King to c3 is excellent. This defends a pawn on d4. Knight to f4. Check is best. This creates a fork on bishop. And king. This move gains a tempo.
Rook to b3, check is excellent. Pawn to f5 is best.
King to c2 is the best move.
Rook to b5 is best. This defends a pawn on a5.
King to c3 is excellent. This defends a pawn on d4. Knight to f4. Check is best. This creates a fork on bishop. And king. The game is over. It ended in a draw.